Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today I've got a delicious slow cooker barbacoa taco recipe for you. It is absolutely incredible, simple to do, and it's coming up right now. Once again, welcome back, everybody. It's really great to have you here. If you're not following us here yet, don't miss out on any of these great recipes. Head down there, hit that button now. And a quick little history on barbacoa. Barbacoa, the word itself, is actually just a cooking technique. So there are different cuts of beef that you can use for this recipe. Just a little side note, the term barbacoa actually means barbecue. And even though this is far from a barbecue recipe, that doesn't mean it's not incredible. So without any further ado, let's get started on this recipe. As I mentioned, you can use lots of different cuts of beef for this recipe. I like to use chuck roasts because chuck roasts give us a really good balance of lean meat and fat content. And as we all know, fat is flavor. I have got two beautiful chuck roasts here, and we are going to start by cutting these into cubes. This will help speed up the cook, and it will also provide additional flavor because we're going to be searing these cubes off in a really hot pan. Once you have these cut up, preheat a frying pan with a little bit of oil at the bottom. Now sear those up really good on all sides with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now transfer them into the slow cooker. Don't forget to deglaze that pan with a little bit of beef broth and add all that beautiful flavor into the slow cooker too. And we will now add the rest of our ingredients, starting with beef broth, apple cider vinegar, some freshly squeezed lime juice, sliced onion, lots of garlic, oregano, cumin, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste. For color and added flavor, we're going to add a sliced jalapeno to this. And the magic ingredient for today's recipe is the El Yucateco Chipotle. And we're going to be very generous with that. Now give that all a good mix. Place your slow cooker on the low setting. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 6 hours, stirring it occasionally. Once it becomes shred tender, go ahead and find your bay leaf, remove that. Shred this up with forks, and you can also remove any unwanted fats at this time. Once you're done shredding, go ahead and put the lid on and place your slow cooker on the keep warm setting for just about an hour to let all these flavors soak in together. Now ours is all ready to go, so it's time to build some tacos. Now I just have some corn tortillas here that I warmed over the stove. Let's go ahead and get these all stuffed. Now there's so much flavor in this beef that we are going to keep these toppings pretty simple, but we're going to start with a little bit of diced red onion. Now cotija cheese, fresh chopped cilantro, and we have no good reason not to top this with a little bit more El Yucateco Chipotle. Just drizzle a few drops on each. And there we go. It is now time for my favorite part of the video. It's been a long day, but I know it's going to have been worth the wait. Cheers, everyone. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. So succulent, so tender, so juicy, and all those ingredients show up in the end result. You can taste everything down to the lime juice, but that El Yucateco Chipotle really shines and kicks up this recipe. Now don't forget, I'm going to have all the details for this cook down in the description if you got any questions. Take care. Till next time. I'll see you on the next video.